Hello, today we will guide you through how to use OCO in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll create an OCO, one cancels other, order directly from the chart so your profit target and protective stop are placed together and managed automatically. When one order fills, the other is canceled, which helps you define risk and remove guesswork. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and navigating to the charts. Pull up the symbol you want to trade and make sure the chart is active by clicking on it. Adjust the time frame or zoom if you need a clearer view of recent price action. It's easier to place orders when you can see nearby highs, lows, and support or resistance. Next, point to the price level where you'd like to enter and right-click on the chart. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click, or holding the modifier key while clicking works as well. This brings up the context menu for chart trading. From that menu, choose the sample Buy Custom or Sell Custom option that matches your plan. Pick Buy Custom if you intend to go long, or Sell Custom if you intend to short. Then select with OCO. This creates a parent order for your entry and two linked child orders, a profit-taking limit, and a stop loss. You'll see editable fields in the order entry panel and often lines on the chart that you can drag to fine-tune prices. Follow the on-screen procedure to set the details. Verify the quantity first so your position size matches your risk plan. Set the entry price you want, then adjust the target limit price to the level where you'd like to take profits. Set the stop price at the point that invalidates your trade idea. The target should display as a limit order and the protective leg as a stop. Check the time in force for each, choosing day or GTC, depending on how long you want the orders to remain active. If your platform shows an OCO group label, confirm it's present so the orders cancel each other correctly. Before sending, take a moment to review the risk and reward shown in the confirmation window. Make sure commissions and total costs look right and that the prices reflect what you intended. When everything is set, send the order. After it's working, you can still adjust by dragging the lines on the chart or editing the fields in the order panel. For extra confidence, practice the same flow in a simulated account to get comfortable with OCO behavior before trading live.